The subject of today's video is 4 common affiliate marketing scams to watch out for. Hello, my name is Novak, and this is my video diary series of my experiences as an affiliate marketer. I'm a student of John Crestani, Devin Brown, and Anthony Morrison, and I want to pass on to you what works for me and what does not. Imagine that all you needed to make money online was a website. You don't have to create your own products or offer a service. Does that sound good? Then welcome to affiliate marketing. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is where you promote another company's product or service for a commission on the sales you generate from the ads that you run. Commissions are typically a percentage of the sale price, but can occasionally be a fixed amount. The best affiliate programs have recurring back-end commissions that can keep paying you commissions month after month. Now let's get started. The 4 common affiliate marketing scams to watch out for. There's no denying that affiliate marketing is a great way to boost your income. Unfortunately, not all affiliate programs are created equal. For every legitimate program you come across, you're also likely to encounter plenty of affiliate marketing scams. The presence of these programs shouldn't put you off though, especially since the unreliable claims these scammers make can usually be spotted from a mile away. That means you can focus your efforts on credible affiliate programs, which will produce far better results in the long term. In this post, we'll explore the too good to be true claims that some affiliate marketing programs make and explain why they can be dangerous. We'll also talk about how to find a trustworthy affiliate program and avoid affiliate marketing scams. Before we get started, keep this tip in your back pocket. If you ever even get slightly suspicious about our program's quality, check it out. There are lots of excellent domain quality checkers online to help you. Just do a Google search for website quality checker and see what turns up. URL Void is one we've used that seems to work well. Now, why are affiliate marketing scams? Why are they common? It goes without saying that the internet has brought with it all kinds of career opportunities. There are more ways than ever to make money online, meaning that just about anyone can take their income into their own hands. However, when there's money to be made, there are likely to be some vultures nearby. Vultures are online scammers who take advantage of people's desire to succeed. They make ridiculous claims about what they can offer, knowing that will grab the attention of many who are looking to start a legitimate side business. If an innocent party is fooled by such a scam, they're likely to end up in a worse position than the one they started in. Although they can be found in pretty much any area of online businesses, affiliate marketing scams seem to be increasingly common. The best defense is to become familiar with the tactics being used to fool unwary targets. Now, where you're most likely to find scams, it's important to note that Google's first page, the first page results, are always going to be legitimate. Most always are going to be legitimate. The further you dive back into the pages, the greater your chances of encountering questionable intent. Also, as amazing as most of its content is, YouTube can be a breeding ground for affiliate scams, in case you haven't noticed. So be on high alert when it comes to that platform. And finally, watch out for display ads and pop-ups. They're familiar territory for scammers. There are 3 telltale characteristics of affiliate marketing scams. Falling into an affiliate marketing trap could mean that you lose out on a lot of money. It may even cause you to lose your credibility as an affiliate marketer. In other words, it's definitely something you want to avoid. To help you stay on track, following are 3 of the most commonly encountered affiliate marketing scams. But first, keep one rule of thumb in mind. A spammy look is a red flag for a spammy situation. In the modern digital world, our eyes are trained to identify spammy looking content. You should know it when you see it. There are a couple of good examples later. Look for things like way too many ads, low quality stock images, lots of redirects, way too much copy on the page, a cluttered appearance, sensational aesthetic claims, dollar bills flying everywhere. But also know that a scam can have a beautiful design. Just remember to always be on your toes. That said, here are 3 top scams to look out for. 1. Get-rich-quick schemes. Aside from winning the lottery, there is no such thing as getting rich. There is no such thing, again, as getting rich. As great as an affiliate marketing programs are, you're not going to become a millionaire overnight. Unfortunately, that doesn't stop scammers from implying that you will. They take advantage of the fact that people are looking to make money and oversell the services they offer. Unrealistic deals can be easily spotted, as they will claim that you can make a lot of money with minimal work. In reality, you'll need to put in plenty of effort to make affiliate marketing a successful venture. So be wary of schemes that promise otherwise. Get-rich-quick schemes will also push the idea that you can make thousands of dollars in a very short period of time. Again, this simply is impossible. Instead, look for programs that have clearly defined payment programs. The monetary value these programs promise will be lower but far more realistic. Of course, your potential earnings will vary from program to program. However, in a general sense, affiliate marketers can expect to make between 5% and 30% per sale. 2. Pay-to-join programs. Stay away from anybody that makes you pay first before you become their affiliate. Another common affiliate marketing scam involves asking people to pay for their memberships. Again, this is an easy trap to fall into. At first glance, it makes some sense that you have to pay in order to join a company's program. However, most credible affiliate schemes are completely free to join. That is because you are effectively going to be working for the company that has set the program up. You wouldn't pay to work a real world job, so you shouldn't do so when getting started with affiliate marketing. Plus, when you buy into a scam like this, it's likely that you won't ever see your money again or make any additional income. Before signing up for any program, make sure the company behind it is legitimate. Is there a list of clients on this website? And can you find positive feedback about the program? Yes, there is. If not, it may be a sign that you need to look elsewhere. Now, ClickBank Marketplace is a great way to find affiliate offers that you can rely on, and is one source I use myself. But again, do your homework. 3 characteristics of scammers to watch out for. Fake products or services. In affiliate programs, marketers make money by promoting products or services created by other, often much larger companies. Sometimes scammers will create fake products or services and promote them under the name of a well-established business. Unsuspecting marketers may then assume that the deal is credible, especially since false programs can be very, very thorough. Scammers will often craft full product catalogs and write fake customer reviews for each offering. They've even been known to promote their businesses by using paid phony sales spokesperson. A clear sign that a product is fake is an abundance of overly positive reviews. Even the best services will have a few negative comments, so be wary of any that don't have any negative reviews. False products are also likely to have blurry, unrealistic images such as stock photos. Real brands take the time to carefully photograph their offerings. Fake ones often steal pictures from other websites. As an example of a fake product offering, complete with badly photoshopped images. If you aren't sure whether a program or product is real, your first step should be to check the brand's official website. You should be able to find the products or services in question, as well as a page for the affiliate program. If you can't, then it's probably a trap. Another effective way to identify fake products or programs is to do some research. Enter a search term like, in brackets, product name, affiliate scam, all in quotes, in Google search, and see what comes up. If you've been drawn to a fake, chances are other people have been too, and those who've been burned are likely to talk about it online. It may also be worth contacting the business owners directly. They'll be best equipped to provide a solid answer, and may even escalate the issue to prevent other affiliate marketers from being scammed. Conclusion: the popularity of affiliate marketing means that it's easy to get involved in. At the same time, it's also led to a proliferation of false programs and suspicious claims and outright scams. If you're looking to become an affiliate marketer, it's vital to know what you should watch out for. Now, 4 of the most common affiliate scams include get-rich-quick schemes that offer maximum payout with minimum effort, affiliate programs that require initial payment to join, schemes that use famous brand names to promote fake product or services, and finally, the 4th affiliate scam to watch out for is the self-professed gurus offering courses in affiliate marketing that promise you to make thousands of dollars in just a few weeks' time. That's a huge red flag. Also, how many followers on YouTube does this supposed guru have? What is their Facebook presence? And do they have any affiliate rewards like the ClickFunnels 2 Common $1 Million Award? Now, I am enrolled in the Partner with Anthony training system, and my coach is Anthony Morrison, who is a giant in the online marketing business. And he has the dollar numbers and the Click2, $1 million awards to prove it. Plus, Anthony has hundreds of cutting-edge YouTube videos and tens of thousands of YouTube followers. Anthony Morrison's complete affiliate marketing training is a 30-step course with over 100 teaching videos that are the best and most up-to-date videos on the market. No internet stone is left unturned. Now, to get this world-class online training from Anthony Morrison, click on the link below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week with more of my marketing video diary. Your comments are most appreciated. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and please check on the subscribe button below. This is Don Novak, and I'll see you next week with a new video to your continued affiliate marketing success.